Welcome back to another edition of the Torah channel. We're doing a little catch up over here, Parshas Shemini. Want to talk about the greatness of Aaron. It's a very poshut idea over here. Sefer Vayikra Perak Yud Pasuk Gimel, and this is after he lost his two sons. His sons died in this strange event where the fires went into their nostrils and killed them from within. But Aaron, and Moshe said to Aaron, Hu Ashadiba Hashem, this is what Hashem said, Lemer saying, Mikrovai, a Kaddish, in my midst, there was a Kiddush Hashem, Alpnei Kol in front of the whole nation, a Kaved, there was covered. In the death of these children, there was a tremendous Kiddush Hashem, in the sense that people saw what happens if you don't follow procedures. Look what happened. People were like, wow, and they're spoiled that there's a din v'cheshbon. Vayidam Aaron was very quiet. It's a superhuman thing to understand, because a parent's natural tendency is to be destroyed when their children die. But then we could truly understand his superhuman abilities. We're told by Chazal that he was the one that always brought shalom between two fighting parties. If somebody was fighting with his friend, he would tell each side that the other one forgave the other side, and then they would meet, and then they would kiss and make up. He also was tremendous with respect to Shalom Bayis. He was the world's first marriage counselor, marriage therapist, and he was tremendously successful. We know that Aaron HaKohen was a paragon of this midah of Ohev Shalom, of loving peace, of Ohev Shalom, and pursuing peace, and would put his own talents into actions, into saving marriages. It's not hard to understand why he did this and why this was his forte, because he's able to say, if I was forgiven for the monumental sin of the Egel, which had repercussions for many, many generations, then you too can forgive each other for your relatively minor squabbles. If people realize that life is too short to waste the machlekes, and they will live happier, healthier lives, have better marriages, and be shining examples of how to live for others, they will zealously pursue peace and be a source of happiness to Hashem and to the world at large. Let us embrace peace this week. Let us forgive people. Let us forget what has been done to us, so that we may live a better and happier life. Thank you. This year was dedicated Le'il Nishmas, my uncle Avram Yitzchak ben Yaakov Zev, whose yahrzeit was yesterday. Have a great day and a great week.